It's 2026, a whole new year, and if you are feeling tired and looking tired and puffy and tense and stressed, and your skin looking dull, this is a really great 5-minute daily face massage that you can do to really wake up your skin, get your skin glowy and healthy and vibrant again. So let's get started. So you want to get started with some clean hands and a clean face, and you want to make sure you apply a little bit of face oil or moisturizer. This is really important to help with the slip when we're doing these facial massages. So we're going to start by applying all over our face and our neck area. Take a nice deep breath. Apply all over your forehead and around your eyes, underneath your eyes, and the neck. Beautiful. So we're going to start by gently tapping our face. So we're going to tap all over here, gentle taps all around the face and the forehead, going down to our eye area here, our cheeks, and our jaw, and our neck area. This is going to help the product absorb faster and better, but also it's going to help with the blood circulations to really activate our face, wake up our face, and get some fresh nutrients and oxygen to our face. Wonderful. So the first, we're going to start by applying a little bit of pressure here, right on the middle of our forehead, and gently glide our fingers all the way out to the temples. This is going to help release the tension in our forehead, smoothing our forehead, softening those lines and wrinkles in our forehead as well. Wonderful. Next, we're going to be working on our eye area. So place 2 fingers here for support. Take your 2 fingers and gently glide all the way here from the inside corner of the eye all the way out to like this, to the temples. It's going to help with the lymphatic drainage here, reducing any puffiness underneath the eyes here, and smoothing out any lines and wrinkles or sagging skin. Wonderful. Let's go on the other side. Place your fingers here for support. Take 2 fingers and glide them all the way out here. And so it's really important when we're working with the eye area to be very gentle. And actually, when we're working with lymphatic drainage and the lymphatic system, it's actually right underneath our skin here. So we actually really don't have to press hard. It's really just soft, gentle movements. Just by doing this a few minutes, you will see that the puffiness underneath your eyes and the puffiness above your eyes really is going to help soften and smooth and decrease. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to take my fingers here and glide them here all the way on our brow bone here, all the way out. Again, soft, gentle movements. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take our fingers and move all the way up from the center of the face up to our ears and our temple area. Gliding your fingers all the way up and out. Just by doing a few movements like this, spending a few minutes, you are going to see that you're going to get some nice glow and rosiness to your face, really waking up that skin. Wonderful. Let's go on the other side here. Move all the way out, glide your fingers. Remember to breathe as well. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to take my knuckles and place them here in between in our jaw area here, and then glide all the way from the jaw area here all the way out to the ears. This is going to help release the jaw tension, any TMJ, but also help lift and firm and tone our jawline. Wonderful. So to end this routine, I'm going to take my fingers, index fingers, and then we're going to take our thumb and gently do a little bit of a twist and pull movement here. You don't want to pull the skin, but you want to press into the skin and gently do a little bit of a twist at the end. This is really going to help with that glowiness to the skin. So you can see here already my skin is looking a little bit more rosy and healthy and glowy. Wonderful. See, just 5 to 10 minutes of doing this each day can really make a huge difference in how you feel, but how you look as well. I feel like my skin is already looking a little bit more glowy and lifted and refreshed. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos for face massages and face yoga. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.